I made 3 to 5 TikToks a day for months, and I started to hate making content. Now, this isn't TikTok's fault, but I'm going to tell you guys a quick story about how I went from creating content that I enjoyed to content that felt like it was soul-crushing, and how the soul-crushing content seemed to perform better for me, so I felt the need to lean into it. So I started this account to build a library of credibility for my marketing business, spread value, and also warm up potential leads in the future for my business. So I posted a ton of content under a wide umbrella of the marketing topic, but I quickly realized that the growth was just too slow because I was too spread out among niches, and not everybody who wanted to see my advertising content wanted to see my SEO content or business development. So when I found a few nuggets that really worked, I leaned heavily into them. The first nugget that really went viral for me was talking about YouTube. I had a lot of experience in the niche, so I started posting content for aspiring YouTubers, and I got good feedback, but it started to feel like I wasn't allowed to post anything else, because if I posted anything else, it did significantly worse. And trying to force every piece of content into one specific niche is honestly soul-crushing. And if I came across a really great quote or had a profound idea, I didn't feel like I could share it unless it involved YouTube. Honestly, this worked for a little bit, but I started to run out of ideas, and my work outside of TikTok became so overwhelming, it felt like a giant burden to have to go and create content about YouTube, especially when I spend most of my days working with e-commerce brands to sell products, and that's what I like to do. I'm gonna go back to posting content about my daily life, the struggles I encounter, and the things I learn, especially about business as a whole, because that's really what my passion is. It's growing businesses. So comment on this video with what type of content you guys enjoy seeing from me, and if there's any topics you want to see in the future.